Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to unbox the micro USB cable from boat. The box packing looks like this. The features are written over here. It supports 3 amp of charging, 480 Mbps of speed. Its length is about 1.5 meter and it has a 2 years warranty. It is a braided cable and I have purchased it from Amazon for rupees 200 rupees. Let's open this box and see what packaging we get. Inside the box we get a micro USB cable and a paper where, where it written how to activate the 2 years warranty. The number on this card and you have to simply give a missed call on that number and your product will be registered. This is the cable. I bought this cable because I like the length of the cable and I use the PS4 controller for charging. It is a micro SD cable as you can see. If you like this video, please consider subscribing this channel for more awesome tech videos.